Alrighty then, today is January the 8th, 2024. This is my kitchen window. Everything has been cleaned pretty much. Oh, yeah, this is my Night Jasmine. There's nothing wrong with it. Um, Other that, watering regularly wouldn't fix. So my time is iffy for me. It'll die. This is my daughter's loquat tree. And everything in the window so that we've gone over. Um, this plant here is a succulent. It just don't want to live. I don't know what's wrong with it. And this is a ZZ plant, a raven, I got at Lowe's for like $7. I'm gonna give it to my niece. I've been had it for a few weeks, almost a month. Um, Elephant ear, the one that had the little bugs on it. I cleaned it off real good, and some basil growing with it. So this is the kitchen window, and looks good.